Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. What if I told you that there are cities around the world where crime is virtually non-existent? In an era where safety and security have become primary concerns, finding such havens feels almost like discovering hidden treasures. Imagine living in a place where locking doors isn't a habit, where walking at night doesn't induce anxiety, and where the thought of theft or violence seems like something from another world. Today's rapidly evolving world, safety has become a paramount concern for individuals, businesses, and governments alike. Safety is not merely the absence of crime, it encompasses factors such as infrastructure security, personal security, health, digital security, and environmental stability. The following essay explores the top 10 safest cities in the world in 2024, based on various indices and reports, shedding light on what makes these urban centers exceptional in maintaining high safety standards. 1. Copenhagen, Denmark. Copenhagen has consistently ranked as one of the safest cities globally due to its robust infrastructure and low crime rates. The Danish capital prioritizes environmental sustainability, with extensive green spaces and efficient public transport. Its government invests heavily in social welfare, reducing economic inequality, a key factor in maintaining safety. Additionally, Copenhagen's proactive approach to combating cyber threats ensures high digital security for its residents. 2. Tokyo, Japan. Tokyo remains a benchmark for urban safety. Despite being one of the world's most populous cities, its crime rate is remarkably low. A strong police presence, advanced surveillance systems, and a culture that values respect and harmony contribute to Tokyo's safety. The city's infrastructure is designed to withstand natural disasters, such as earthquakes, further enhancing its residents' sense of security. 3. Singapore. Singapore's success as a safe city stems from its strict laws, efficient policing, and an almost negligible crime rate. Known for its cleanliness and orderliness, the city-state is a leader in digital security and personal safety. Its Smart Nation initiative has improved public safety through technology, including AI-driven surveillance and real-time data monitoring. 4. Zurich, Switzerland. Zurich is not only a global financial hub but also a paragon of safety. The Swiss city boasts a high quality of life, low crime rates, and excellent healthcare facilities. Zurich's meticulous urban planning ensures safe public spaces and efficient public transport. The city also excels in environmental security, emphasizing sustainable living and green initiatives. 5. Sydney, Australia. Sydney is renowned for its vibrant lifestyle and commitment to public safety. Its low crime rates, reliable law enforcement, and modern infrastructure make it one of the safest cities. Sydney's healthcare system is highly advanced, ensuring residents have access to quality care. Additionally, the city is proactive in addressing climate change, which enhances its environmental resilience. 6. Amsterdam, Netherlands. Amsterdam combines historical charm with modern safety measures. The Dutch capital is known for its robust healthcare system and digital security initiatives. Its well-maintained bike lanes and public transport systems promote safe mobility. Amsterdam's government actively engages with residents to ensure public safety and minimize crime through community policing. 7. Helsinki, Finland. Helsinki is a model of safety and quality of life. The Finnish capital is famous for its effective governance, transparent public policies, and minimal corruption. Helsinki's emphasis on education and social equity contributes to its low crime rates. Furthermore, the city excels in environmental security, with abundant clean energy and a strong commitment to sustainability. 8. Stockholm, Sweden. Stockholm is a city that balances innovation with safety. It features robust social services, advanced digital security frameworks, and a low crime rate. The Swedish capital is also a leader in environmental initiatives, focusing on renewable energy and reducing carbon emissions. Stockholm's comprehensive healthcare and education systems further enhance its residents' well-being. 9. Toronto, Canada. Toronto is one of the safest cities in North America, characterized by its multiculturalism and inclusive society. The city has low violent crime rates and a strong sense of community. Toronto's healthcare and public transport systems are world-class, ensuring residents feel secure. Its government is committed to addressing social disparities, which significantly reduces potential safety risks. 10. Reykjavik, Iceland. Reykjavik epitomizes safety and serenity. As the capital of Iceland, it benefits from a small, close-knit population and minimal crime. The city is surrounded by pristine natural landscapes, enhancing its environmental security. Reykjavik's progressive governance, clean energy initiatives, and emphasis on education contribute to a high level of safety and quality of life. Factors contributing to safety in these cities. The safety of these cities can be attributed to several factors. 1. Effective governance. Transparent and efficient governments play a critical role in ensuring safety through sound policies and robust law enforcement. 2. Infrastructure development. Well-designed urban spaces, efficient public transport, and disaster-resilient structures reduce risks and enhance public confidence. 3. Low crime rates. Social cohesion, education, and equitable distribution of resources contribute to reducing crime. 4. Advanced healthcare. Access to quality healthcare ensures residents' well-being, particularly during crises like pandemics. 5. Environmental sustainability. Many of these cities prioritize renewable energy, green spaces, and climate resilience, contributing to a safer environment. Conclusion. Safety is a multifaceted concept that requires a holistic approach, combining governance, infrastructure, societal values, and technology. The top 10 safest cities of 2024 exemplify how proactive measures can create secure urban environments. As global challenges such as climate change, cyber threats, and urbanization intensify, these cities set a benchmark for others to emulate, proving that safety is achievable through innovation, inclusivity, and commitment to public welfare. Thanks for watching this video.